All right, guys, it has arrived today. It's the Luglife box. This is the fall 2023 edition, and it was so hard for me to decide whether to get the Glamping or the other, I think it was the Under the Stars. Their description usually will give you a little bit of a hint on which to choose, and I'm not much of a print person, so I wasn't sure which one to go for. I like solids a little bit more, so I decided to go with the Glamping one. So this is the Glamping edition, and they do have another edition, I think, that was Under the Stars. So I decided on this one. Let's go ahead and unbox this together. Now, if you're unfamiliar with these boxes, these are mystery boxes, so we never know what is inside. I have purchased every single one of them that they've come out with. Sometimes you can get a little disappointed, but you've got to go in expecting that there might be things in here that you don't like, but it's a surprise, and that's why I love these boxes, and that's why I get every single one of them. And this box did retail for $149 US, and so let's just go ahead and open this up together and see what is inside. So this doesn't look like it's taped up as much as it usually is. So here we go. Oh, hang on. There's one at the bottom too. Let me grab that one. So usually the box are kind of like a little bit of a hint on what's inside. So you've got this kind of print, and then you've got this, which I've seen in the linings before. So let's just open this up and just go ahead and see what is inside. So it looks like there's some kind of blanket in here. So this is a Sherpa. So this is a new blanket because I'm not used to the Sherpa. Let's just open this up and see what this looks like. Oh, this feels nice. It does not tell me what the print is on here, so I am not sure what the print is, you guys, but this is a Sherpa blanket, and it is tied on here. So let me undo this, and let's just see how big it is. All right, so you can see the print on this one. It's got a camping print on here. So this is really nice and soft. And let's see how big this is. So it looks like it's not quite as big as their Cuddle Throws are, but it's still nice and cozy. So this is good. I don't know if this is a new blanket they're going to be coming out with in other prints, but this is the first time I have seen this Sherpa blanket from them. So super nice, and it's very warm. So this will be nice to cuddle up in. So let me see if I can let you see the print just a little bit better on here. So you got some animals, looks like a camping print on here. And in the background on this is like an olive green. So this is really cute, and it's definitely nice and warm. And then next up in the box, there is coupons, $50 off, $100, and $25 off of $75, and then free shipping. And then next up is a Huggy, and it's in metallic olive. I was kind of hoping that there was gonna be some metallic olive in here because I wanted to try the metallic olive out. And like I said, I'm more of a solid person than a print person, so I am so glad about this. So here is the metallic olive Huggy. I love the Huggy, and this is actually the Huggy SE. So it's got your front zipper where you can see the lining on the inside. Also matches the box on here. So you've got this little compartment, and then you have another zipper compartment that is behind there. And inside that you have the strap that can either be put through these loops to be a belt bag, or you can use it as a crossbody. And then it also has this zipper. I don't remember my other Huggy having this zipper. Maybe this is something new with the SE, but then it has this little side pocket as well. So here's your little hooks if you want to use it as a crossbody as well. So these are really nice. They draw string, and then they have that insulation on the inside so that you can put your water bottles in there. So this is the Huggy SE, and it's in the metallic olive, so really nice. And then up next, I'm just going to go ahead and get this over here on this side. It is a landing pad in olive green. So let's open this up and let you see this. I don't have a landing pad, so here it is. This is a pad that you're going to sit down if you go to a stadium and sit. It's really nice and cushioned. I don't have one of these because I just usually sit on the bleachers or whatever, but this is really nice because it will give you a lot of padding on here. And so this is in the olive green. Looks like everything in here so far has had the green to it, but this is really nice and padded, so this will be a good cushion if you're at a stadium or anything like that with bleachers, cold bleachers. It'll keep it from being cold. And then it looks like we have a backpack. So is this the hatchback? Yes, so this is the hatchback 3, and this is in metallic olive as well. So I love the hatchback. I have it in Concord purple, and then I have the vegan leather one. It's a really great backpack. It's slimline, but you can fit a lot of stuff in it, so I do like to carry the hatchback. So good to see it in this metallic olive. This metallic olive is really pretty in person. Look how shiny that is and how pretty it is. So the lining on that is the same as what's on the box as well. So really neat. The hatchback's got really nice rubber grips on here. It's a really great backpack. I love the size of this and just how much you can fit in it. As you can see, this has a lot of stuff. So far, I'm not seeing any new bags because the hatchback has been around for a little bit, and the Huggy, maybe it's a little bit different because I don't remember my Huggy having this, but then the Sherpa is a new blanket, I know. So it looks like there's one more thing in here, and this is in a print, and this is the hitch, and it is in camp green. So I guess the blanket is in the camp green as well because it looks like the same kind of pattern. So I'm afraid this is gonna probably, I'm gonna try to sell this one because the hitch just doesn't work for me. But look here, you can see the print of this one. And the hitch is a great belt bag. It just doesn't fit real well and sit real well on me. But it's got this built-in wallet in the front, and there's that same lining on this one. Then you have your cell phone pocket behind it. And these metal clasps are really good to attach. They're really sturdy. You have your back zipper where you can put things as well. And then you have that really nice big double zip area. That's your main compartment. And then you can just see how wide this opens. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. It's got 2 cargo pockets, and then it's got your clear view pocket in the front. So, oh, and a key leash. The key bungee, one of the main things that I love about the Lug bags. All right, so that is gonna be all that is inside the Luglife box, the fall 2023 edition, and this is the Glamping edition. So guys, I would love to know your thoughts. Did you get one of these boxes, and are you happy with it? Which one did you get? And also, are you sad if you did miss out on it because there were some really good things in here? But I think overall this box is a really good box. It has some great stuff. A belt bag, the Huggy, and the landing pad. That hatchback is so pretty in this metallic olive. This metallic olive is so pretty. So let me show you the difference in just the olive to the metallic olive. So this is the olive and this is the metallic olive. And just look how pretty this metallic olive is. So beautiful for fall. I think this is a really great bag. So let me know, guys, what you think about this box. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button because I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.